Welcome to Bright. To begin your application, select Join from brightmls.com. New or returning associate brokers and agents will select Join Reactivate from the first section on this page. Now stop here. There are two different options on this page. One is for new subscribers having never belonged to Bright, and the other is for returning subscribers. New subscribers select Subscribe to BrightMLS, and returning subscribers will choose Reactivate to BrightMLS. This next screen is where you'll choose your office role. Select either Agent or Associate Broker. Now, in Step 1, you'll enter your license, broker code, and association affiliation. If you do not see your broker code, you'll need to call your office. Once all have been entered, select Continue. For Step 2, provide all necessary contact information. All required fields must be populated to move on to Step 3. Use Previous to edit any details needed in Step 1, or Continue to move on to Step 3. Finally, in Step 3, you'll review the application details you've entered. Then, scroll through to review the license agreement. Once it's reviewed, click I agree, stating you acknowledge that you've read, understand, and agree to the terms. When you're ready, click Submit. Take a moment to jot down your application ID. You must keep this application ID on hand. It will be required in order to activate your account once it is approved. An email will also be sent that includes your application ID. Your office has 14 days to approve your application before it expires. If your application expires, you will need to submit a new request. For more tips and tools, visit support.brightmls.com.